Hey friends, today's lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 26. Yesterday you were totally blowing my mind about doing such a nice job decomposing 9. But I thought we'd start today with a bit of a challenge. Are you ready for a challenge? Oh, good. Let's get those brains warmed up. This is what we're going to do. We're going to play Match It Up. Now, I have 2 sets of counting sticks and then 2 number bonds. What I want you to do is I want you to examine those counting sticks, look very closely, and see which set of counting cubes matches which number bond. All right, press pause while you figure it out and press play to see if you did a nice job on this challenge. Okay, are you ready? All right, so let's start with this number bond. 9 is the whole amount, 8 is a part, and 1 is a part. Go ahead and get your finger and draw an imaginary line from this number bond to the counting cube set it matches. Zoop! Hey, good job! How did you know that that was the set of counting cubes that matched that number bond? Yeah, perfect. There's that 8 and there's that 1, and I can see that down here. I can see 8 purples and 1 blue. So I know that that matches, right? Because there's 9 altogether. Hey, good job. What about this set of counting cubes? Which number bond does it match? Go ahead and get your finger. Draw an imaginary line from that number bond to, excuse me, from that set of counting cubes to the number bond it matches. Zoop. There you go. Friend, how did you know that so quickly? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is apart. And hey, look at that. 4 is apart. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the other part. And look at that. 5 is the other part. Friend, I knew that you would do so good on this challenge. Way to stretch your brains. Let's go ahead and give ourselves a super clap for being totally amazing. 1, 2, 3. Awesome job. All right, I'm so glad that went well, and I knew it would because you did so great yesterday. And our learning goal for today says, I can decompose 9 using a story. So we're going to be just building on what we already practiced in our last lesson. I think we've got this. Let's listen to the first story. Timmy ate 6 pieces of corn. Then he ate 3 green beans. How many veggies did he eat in all? All right, I'm going to get out my counting cubes for this one. All right, so I went ahead and grabbed a whole bunch of them, and it says Timmy ate 6 pieces of corn. So how many counting cubes should I color in? Yeah, perfect, 6, right? Go ahead and count with me as I color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Then it says, then he ate 3 green beans. What color do you think I should draw or color in the next 3? Yeah, green for the beans. All right, count with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. Then it says how he did eat in all. Well, 6, 7, 8, 9. He ate 9 in all. We did a really nice job of coloring our counting cubes to match what we read in the story. Don't you agree? Excellent. All right, let's try another one. It says Mac ate 2 jelly beans. Sadie ate 7 jelly beans. Well, she was hungry. How many jelly beans did they eat? Let's go ahead and draw our good counting cubes. All right, so it says Mac ate 2 jelly beans. How many jelly beans should we color in for him? Yeah, 2. That's what he ate. 1, 2. Then it says Sadie ate how many jelly beans? Sadie ate 7 jelly beans. So how many do we have to color in for her? Yeah, 7. Goodness. Help me out, friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great job. All right, let's go ahead and throw that into a number bond to talk about it. So let's see. I know that Mac ate 2 and then Sadie ate 7 jelly beans. But how many did we have for our whole amount? Can you count those all up and tell me? Yeah, I know that 7 plus 2 more is 9. Because I said 7 and I just counted up 2. 7, 8, 9. Remember, you can say the bigger number and count up the smaller number. Or, yes, you could have just counted them all individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so we need to show my different parts. So what's the first part that you see there, friends? Perfect, the 2. Oh, yeah. the 2 that Mac ate. And then what's our other part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Yep, 7's the other part. How does my number bond look? What? I did something wrong? But I'm a teacher. How can I do something wrong? What did I do wrong? Oh, goodness. Thank you for helping. Mac did not eat 3. Do you see a 3 down here as a part? No. Hey, good eye, friends. Oh man, I gotta get rid of that. How embarrassing. What should my part be? Not 3. No, should be 2. Hey, thanks for helping me out with that one. You have really good eyes today. I'm so glad you were here because our learning goal said that I can decompose 9 using a story, and you were really helpful in decomposing that 9 because I totally messed up. Oh man, thanks, friends. I owe you one. All right, now it's your turn. I want you to go ahead. You can draw 9 circles, 9 counting cubes, whatever you want to do. I want you to go ahead and break that 9, decompose it. Break it up. And then tell me a story about it, okay? So maybe you want to color in 6 and then have 3 left, or color in 1 and can have 8 left. It doesn't matter to me. Break up that 9 and then tell me a good story about what happened, just so that we can get 2 different parts, okay? All right. Good luck, friends. And hey, thanks again.